Okay, so I created 3D printed Neville's bridge. It is a prototype. I just want you to see how tall it is. Um, you can actually put 3 engines. I don't have any engines here, just shells. And here is compared to a Trackmaster. Is it called girder support or bridge support, whatever you call it? It's pretty tall. Now I know I made it for one single track. Remember, Trackmaster. I think there's only one Tomy version, the red big bridge that can be turned in 2 tracks, and it's a prototype. Yes, the Trackmaster track fits in there, and I will make a double track version. But right now, like I say, I always make prototypes. I'm not making a finished product. Remember, we are doing some tests, and okay, let me see if I can lift it. That's how it looks. It is a pretty tall bridge, pretty large bridge. So I made 3 tier. Is it called tiers? 3 tier bridge. Well, it that's the way it looks on the videos. Let me know your opinion, what your thoughts about this design. I know I need to make. Oh, also I need to show you. This is how I 3D printed. I 3D printed in parts, so we can. There's a car passing by. We can. We don't have to print with supports. Less supports, less time. And actually, the lead here is. This is a lead that can be replaced. Let me see if I can lift it. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to, but I'm gonna try. I'm using only one hand. There. See how it looks? It's 3D printed in sections, so we don't have to be worried about way too many supports between the building. So it's, I mean, the whole thing, but it's pretty wide. So here is Percy. See how it looks? Very wide and tall. Thanks for the ideas. I don't remember who gave me the idea, but thank you. And I will be posting more videos coming soon of your ideas. Let me know in the comments.